2 cars coming. Are you kidding me? I don't know. Or gathering water.
See, this goes right through here.
Yeah.
You guess we wear 2 hats.
Yeah, I feel it on my jeans, through my jeans already.
You don't have anything under them?
Mm-mm.
When you get in the middle of the street right here, you need to test it a little bit. Get a little gas, get a little sway. You need to test it. You know what I mean?
It wasn't even, didn't even have the, okay. I can't see out of the mirror. Okay, so, all right. Other than the fact that it's colder than a well digger's butt in Alaska, my Lord, I haven't done anything terrible yet. Okay, gosh, it's awfully pretty out here. I already feel the cold through my pants. Maybe I should have wore more pants. Lots more pants. Of course, then I couldn't move. I have on 2 or 3 shirts and then the coat with the liner and all that crap. But, you know, then you can't move or breathe. And that's kind of a little bit important, but, you know. But other than that, okay, so I'm not really seeing this is so horrible yet. Of course, I haven't done anything crazy because I'm not a crazy kind of gal like that. You know, I may swing off a chandelier, but not on a vehicle. That's not really my thing. You know, and I'm kind of leery of the cars. Whoa, okay, that was interesting. Yeah, okay. Woo! Did a little shindig back there. My butt went one way and I went the other. But that's okay. We're just trying it out. It's awful quiet out here. Except for me rambling. Oh, whoa. Hello. Don't do that. No moving around in circles. No, we don't want to go in no circles. I'd feel better if all these cars weren't parked on the road, you know, in case it gets away from me or something retarded. Gosh, I've got liners on under my gloves and my fingers are cold. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Wonder if I'll fog up now. Look, they're building 2 more itty bitty houses right here. And yes, my visor's fogging up now. I gotta open that back up. So what happens when I go around this curve? Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, they're gonna let me go. Thank you. Ooh, felt that again. The tail kind of likes to shimmy around a little bit. Go a little bit faster through here. I'm not going to get too carried away. I'm just a little bit timid, folks. I hadn't been doing this 112 years like a lot of people. They would think I was a big old baby. But that's okay. I just wanted to say I did it. I really wanted to ride while it was snowing, but whoa! Okay, so right back there is where it gets silly every time. Wonder if I can go up this hill. So we're gonna try this. See if we can go up this road. It doesn't seem like that would make such a big difference, but maybe it does. My God, my hands are cold. Dang. These hand guards were supposed to help, but apparently I didn't turn them on or something. Maybe they needed to be heated. Maybe they need to blow hot air out those. Yeah, well, that ain't gonna happen, but you know, still. It's not really super duper warm. Okay, I can now say that I have done this, and it likes to do this a lot.
Yeah, so it's pushed in the back.
Yeah, but I'm frozen. I'm good. Should I go again? Let me try a different road. Okay, talk me into it. Okay. Yeah, this would be fun on a big open area without cars on the side of the road and people in their yards. I could probably get it going, but oh, holy macaroni. Yeah, see, and I say that and then something happens. Okay. And that's enough of that stuff because I don't like that. Oh my God, my hand's cold. Holy macaroni. This is way too cold for this shit. Now that's just all there is to it. My fingers are frozen. As in starting to hurt. It is painful. Woohoo! I am frozen. But when you turn the corners, it kind of goes, woo!
It's fun, isn't it?
If there want the cars on the side of the road. You could let go more, but I'm so terrified of hitting someone's car, you know. If you had a big open pasture to do this in, that would be awesome, but yeah, I'm intimidated by the cars on the side of the road. Nope.